Hey there guys, in this video we will learn about the switch case and the ternary operator. In the previous video I have covered this if else part, and if you haven't watched it yet, make sure you watch that first before coming off to in this video. You can continue with this video, but I highly recommend you to watch that video first, okay, so that you get a better grasp of how control flow exactly works in very simple terms. And I will put the link in the description below, so make sure you check that out first. Okay, enough of talking here, and in this video we will cover the switch case. So what is exactly switch case? Switch case is like you have been given a multiple choice, and it's on your decision how you will handle that choice. I think it was pretty difficult for you to understand, so I should stop talking and let's get right into the code. So first I'll write var age equals 10. Alright, okay, the auto save is doing some problem in here. Okay, good. I'll write switch age. Alright, I'll open the brackets, curly braces, whatever you want to say, and then put in here case, let's say 1. Alright, so we'll put in here 1, and then I'll go in here console.log, and I'll do this with a shortcut because I have an extension installed, and I'll talk that about later. Let's first focus in here. I'll do console log in here, and age equals plus age, and then a break statement. Okay, next I'll do case 2 CLG and 5. Alright, and I'll put another thing that's default. If you remember from the previous video, I have shown you the if else, if else if, that chaining. This is exactly the same but with a different kind of syntax. Alright, so in this way you can do things that which are very much similar to the if else chaining. Okay, so you will pass in a variable or a value in this switch condition. Switch condition will evaluate that value, and depending on that value it will try to execute exactly that case. For example, since age is 10 and here is case 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, you will see that none of these cases get executed. So by default it will come up in here. So let's see by saving it. See, nothing got matched. And how did nothing got matched printed? By executing this block, because nothing got matched, none of the cases got matched. This is pretty much like the else part which you keep at the bottom of your if else chaining. You get it? Alright, so what would happen if you change this 10 from 3? Okay, let me do it, change something, because now I realize that you won't be able to exactly understand from where the statement got executed. Alright, see, this log will produce from case 1, this log will be produced from case 2. So depending on that value you will understand exactly from where the cases got executed. So let me put a space in here. Alright, now it's perfectly fine. See, 3 equals 3. Actually this is the case number 3, and the age has the value of 3, so that's why it's printing in here. So I can definitely remove this part. I'll do Control D a couple of times, and here we go. Did I write the evaluated word correctly? Maybe this is the right one. Correct me if I'm wrong. So case 3 got evaluated. So whatever statement you will have inside this block, everything will be executed. Alright, this is only one catch. And if you're thinking about why am I putting is this break statements in here, then this break statements will stop execution of your code once it gets hit. Let me show you. For example, if you do not put this break statement in here, then all the remaining cases will get executed until your code again hit the break statement. Let me show you. Let's hit save and see here. Case 3 got evaluated, case 4 got evaluated, but age is 3. Your case, this one got evaluated, but why did this is moving to this case? Because you haven't put the break statement in here. See, your code stops execution as soon as it reaches this break statement, which means that your switch case will only be limited to this particular block, and it will not move to any other block which is below. Alright, and if nothing gets matched, then this default part will be executed. Alright, and one more thing, you can put or cannot put or can skip this break part. Okay, this doesn't matter because below default there is nothing. Okay, so you can put in 11 here and everything will work fine unless you bring this default up somewhere. Let's see why I've gone out of there. Yep, see, nothing got matched, case 1 got evaluated. So you need to put in break statement in here, okay, so that it stops execution as soon as it hits the break statement. So this is the concept for switch case. So now let's remove the switch case and let me show you the ternary operator. Ternary operator is very shorthand and you will love to write or use this ternary operator once you understand the basic fundas. Let me show you. Age colon okay, so here we go. Okay, look at the statement. Age, if this is greater than 18, then this part will be executed. If this gets evaluated as false, then this part will be executed, just like if else, but in one line. Okay, see, you are not an adult because this is 11, but if this becomes 19, you are an adult. Yeah, I know I should have been put in this equals to here so that everyone with age of 18 becomes an adult, but you get the point, right? You are an adult. Why? Because this condition gets evaluated as true, and once it's evaluated as true, this first block gets or we should say first statement gets executed. The remaining part will be just simply ignored. Okay, this is all about ternary operator, and you can do this couple of more times. Like if age is greater than or equals to 18, you are printing an adult, and you can put in one more thing. If, for example, age is equals to 10 question mark, then age is 10, or let me do it a little differently. Make sure you put in brackets in here. Okay. Age is less than 10. And let me do it one more console log on. Okay guys, I'm back again. Okay, so a couple of here and there, and now I have got a statement to show you the nested ternary operator. Okay, see, age is more than 10. So how it got executed? Let's not turn on the prettier. Let me just turn it off for a moment. Or maybe I should turn on the auto save. Okay, since age is greater than 18, so you are not an adult, will not be printed on the screen. So this will always move on to this part. This block will be executed, or you can say this statement will be executed. So age is now be checked again if this is greater than or less than 10. Since age is 19 and this is greater than 10, so age is more than 10. You got what I'm saying? So if you reduce it by 10 years, see, you are not an adult. And this part gets executed first, so the nested part will not be even checked. Okay, this will entirely be skipped. Okay, so this is all about the switch case and ternary operator, and that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.